Welcome back to Charisar classes. I am Sarunacharya Mudimoksham, your mathematics and Vedic mathematics trainer. Today in this module we are going to learn the product of two numbers, two digital numbers which are very near to 100. That is, the numbers which are very near to 100 and less than 100, these are called base 100 numbers. The base 100 numbers are like, for example, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98 and 99. These are all called base 100 numbers and less than 100. Less than 100. So for this we are going to discuss one technique here. This technique enables you to do any multiplication of this within 5 seconds of time. Let's see the technique. Here 91 into 94 is given. So this 91 is how much less than 100? That is 9 less than 100. Write down minus 9. And 94 is how much less than 100? That is 6 less than 100. Write down minus 6. Now 9 6 are 54. Write down. And now you can see here magic. That is 91 minus 6 you do. What is the answer? 85. And 94 minus you do the same 85 only. Anything you can do, whichever you feel easy, that you can follow. There is no restriction at all. You can do anything, either 94 minus 9 or 91 minus 6. I am taking 94 minus 9. I am feeling it is easy. Therefore 94 minus 9 is 85. I will write it here. So that is 8554 is your answer. Okay. Next, coming to the next question. Let's see this one also. 92 is 8 less than 100. Write down. 96 is 4 less than 100. That is minus 4. Let's multiply 8 and 4. That is 8 4s are 32. And 92 minus 4 are 96 minus 8. Anything is okay. So I am taking 96 minus 8. 96 minus 8 is 88. That is 8832 is your answer. Simple. Within 5 seconds of time you can do. Not more than that. If you apply natural multiplication, it takes more than 1 minute or near to 1 minute. But here you are able to do within 5 seconds of time. Just to see one more question. That is 93. 93 is 7 less than 100. That is minus 7 you write down. 97 that is minus 3. That is 3 less than 100 this is. Let's multiply 7 and 3. That becomes 21. 93 minus 3 is 90. Also 97 minus 7 also 90. So I consider here 93 minus 3. No problem. Anything you can consider. Okay. That is done. Next, coming to the next question. That is 95. 95 is 5 less than 100. That is write down minus 5. And 98 is minus 2 because 98 is 2 less than 100. So write down the product of 5 and 2. Minus 5 minus 2 product is 10. Write down 95 minus 2. What is 95 minus 2? 95 minus 2 is 93. That is 9310. Similarly, 98 into 92. So what you can do? 98 is minus 2. Because 2 less than 100. 92 is 8 less than 100. That is minus 8. Now you can multiply these two. Minus 2 and minus 8 is 16. 2 into 8 is 16. And 98 minus 8 is 90. Or 92 minus 2 is also 90. Write down 90 here. That is complete your answer. That is 9016 is your answer. Next, coming to the next question, that is sixth question. That is, here 91 is 9 less than 100 and 97 is 3 less than 100. Write down 3 here. 9 3s are 27. Write down. And 91 minus 3. 91 minus 3 is how much? 88. Or 97 minus 9 is also 88. Let's write down 88 here. That is 8827 is the answer. Next, coming to the seventh question, that is 98. This is minus 2 and this is minus 1. Now here you observe. Minus 2 into minus 1, 2 ones are 2. How many digit number it is? It is only one digit number. We are with what base? The base is 100. In 100, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. always you need to get the product as two-digit number. Whenever you get single digit, what we do? We place 0 on the left hand side of the number. Okay, that is 0, 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 0, 2 we can write. Now 98 minus 1 is 97. So that is 9702 is the answer. This is only one observation, that is whenever you get this product is one digit number, then you take with 0. If you get 2, 0, 2. If you get 4, 0, 4. If you get 6, 0, 6. If you get 8, 0, 8. Like that. Okay. Next, 99 into 99. Here you can see this is minus 1. That is 99 is 1 less than 100, and one more 99 is given, that is also 1 less than 100. Now you can see 99 minus 1 is 98. Okay, let's write down here 98, first part of the answer, and the second part is minus 1 into minus 1, 1. We will write it as 0, 1. So 1 alone we will not take because it is a single digit number. We need to take two digit numbers definitely. Okay, next coming to the next 90 question, that is 92. 92 is 8 less than 100. 95 is 5 less than 100, and I have written minus 8 and minus 5. Now 8 5s are 40. 92 minus 5, 87. 95 minus 8 is also 87. Let's write down 87 here. That is 8740 is the product of 92 and 95. Let's move on to the 10th question, that is 93. That is 7 less than 100, and 98 2 less than 100. Now 7 into 2, that is 14. 93 minus 2, that is 91. That is 9114 is your answer. Next coming to the 11th question, that is 94 is 6 less than 100, write down, and 96 is 4 less than 100, that is minus 4, write down. So now 6 4s are 24, write down. 94 minus 4 is 90. 96 minus 6 is also 90. Remember this again. I am indicating here either like this or like this you should do. Anything is okay, crosswise. Okay, 96 minus 6 is 90. Let's write down 90 here. 9024. 9024 is the answer. Let's do the last question, that is 97. That is minus 3. 98 is minus 2 because my 2 less than 100 is 98. 3 less than 100 is 97. Let's write down 3 2s are 6. Again one digit number. To get the two digit number you need to add 0. So that is 06. Okay, 97 minus 2 is 95, or 98 minus 3 is also 95. Let's write down 95. That's it. That's it. 12 questions you can do. 12 into 5, 60. 1 minute of time. You can solve all these 12 questions within 1 minute. Within 1 minute, not more than 1 minute, not exactly 1 minute, less than 1 minute of time you can do. But whereas our natural multiplication will take, each question will take 1 minute. Means total 12 questions if you want to solve, it will take 12 to 15 minutes of time. You can check. Like this, many more techniques are on the way. Immediately next module is, we have done here the base 100 numbers and less than 100. Now the next module is base 100 and more than 100. That we are going to do. First you practice this. These are all time saving techniques. Please practice and get the perfection. Thank you. Thank you very much. Comment, share, like and subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell icon. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.